Hi, welcome to the Swim Professional. As today we are learning how to do the backstroke start. And to learn a backstroke start, we have to first go with the take your marks position, which is showing in the picture now. As you can see, when you do the take your marks, you make the back flat and you hold the starting block and he come forward. So now second is jump off. Once you jump off while we doing, make sure we move the head first, then move the hands on the back of the head to make a streamlined position. So which is a very important part, and while we're doing a backstroke start, we have to keep the shoulder wide apart in a shoulder distance. So now, as you can see, we have a fully dive of a backstroke. Make sure when we are jumping on the backstroke start, we don't make a splash. So splash will never happen if our body is in a streamlined positions. So watch again. To do the backstroke start, we have to follow 6 steps. Number one, the step is positioning, which is I already show you in the picture. You can watch now. This is positioning. Number two is hand placement. You can see in the picture also. Foot positioning. Also, you can see the swimmer is holding a wide apart foot. Preparation of push-up wall. As you can see, how it's pushing the wall, generating the speed and generating the energy from the lower legs. And push of the wall should be in a streamline, as you can watch now, and streamline position. Now see the streamline position, as you can see in the picture now, the streamline position, and even the swimmer is not splashing. So the most important thing, when we follow these 6 steps, after that we have to learn underwater dolphin kick, which is a very important after backstroke start to make it more better. So let's see break down again. As you can see now, the backstroke start again in the picture. The swimmer is just take your marks position. Now he's going to push up the wall. Once he push up the wall, he just push it from the legs harder so that he move forward also back. Once he going into the water, he make the body curved. So make sure we make the body curved also, and we push the ball in a very streamlined positions. As you can see in the picture video now proper, please watch it. The backstroke start proper, and make sure we don't make a splash. As you enter, no splash. You can see now. Please, I would request you to subscribe my channel for the future more videos. Thank you.